In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import users in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process step by step, so if you're an admin looking to bring in multiple team members quickly and consistently, you're in the right place. Make sure you're already signed in to your Smartsheet account with an admin role, because only admins can access user management and import options. Let's start from the Smartsheet homepage. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. This might show your initials or a small avatar image. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu that lets you access various account level settings and options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled User Management. Click on User Management to open the admin area where you can see and manage all of the users associated with your account. This page is your central hub for adding, removing, and updating users, as well as checking their roles and permissions. Once the User Management page has loaded, move your attention to the top area of the screen. You should see a button or menu labeled More Actions. This is where Smartsheet keeps the bulk tools, like importing or exporting user lists. Click on the More Actions button. If your window is smaller, you may need to expand or scroll slightly to see it, so just make sure it's visible before you proceed. After clicking More Actions, a drop-down list of options will appear. In this list, look for the option that says Import Users. This is the feature that lets you bring in multiple users at once, usually from a file such as a CSV, or sometimes from another supported source, depending on your plan and configuration. Go ahead and click on Import Users. From here, Smartsheet will guide you through the specific import process, such as choosing your file, mapping fields, and confirming the list of users before they're added. Before you start that part, it's a good idea to double check that your source file is clean and formatted correctly, with valid email addresses and any other required details. This will help avoid errors and make the import smoother. And that's the basic navigation you need. Open your profile menu, go to User Management, select More Actions, and then choose